Welcome, guys. Today we are going to start our C++ session, our first session on C++ programming language, and we will be using this online programmers IDE. So let's start. Hash include iostream. This is the syntax to import any library into your C++ program. Now, iostream is the library which handles our input and output operations. So, in the next, using namespace std. This is a namespace. Now, what is the namespace? It's a bit advanced topic. Now, here just follow that we have to write these both lines in our C++ code. Here, declare our main function, which is syntax int man, and these square brackets, not square, sorry, curly braces. Now, int is our this return type, and man is the starting point of our program. Now, this is the function which runs at the first, and finally, just do write this return 0. Here we have given that int is the return type. Now, what is the return type? What are functions? What is this return statement? That's a bit like advanced ones. We will study them in detail later on. But here just follow that this is a basic template for our C++ program. Every C++ program must have these lines of codes. And here, if you see that we are also writing semicolons. Now, semicolons have a special purpose in C++. Every line of code terminates with semicolon. If you do not place a semicolon, you may see that the compiler will generate an error. Now, let's just test it. Here it is. Int man expected semicolon before square bracket token. Oh, here it is. So we must have to. And these messages are also user friendly. We can understand it. That what is the error. Now, in our first program, we are just going to print a message. Cout. Hello world. I'm a great C++ developer. Ooh, right? Let's run it. Oh, again error. What we have forgotten? Expected semicolon. Again, I told you, you must have to terminate every line of code with semicolon. Here it is. Again, rerun it. Now, you can see that the message is printed on the console. Hello world, I am a great C++ developer, which we have included here. Now, here the instruction cout with these presses and this message included in double quotes is printed on the console. If you want to print any message on the console, you have to follow this line of code. Cout is the built-in keyword or built-in in C++, like in this module iostream. That's why we included this. This is used for printing anything to the console. If you want to print anything else, you may write, sorry, you may write it. Cout. What do you want to write it? What do you want to write it? How are you? Suppose you want to learn something. You want to ask something to your friend. Here it is. But there is not a space since. So let's include a space here. Here it is. How are you? This is just a basic. Now, in the next lesson, we will study further how can we separate the text into multiple lines, how can we include tabs, and how can we format strings to have a better view. And we will also study advanced topics like data types, controls, and others. That's it. That's it for now, guys. Thank you very much.